Welcome, this is Rituparna for channel Any24. On July 10, the Silchar branch of Bharat Vikas Parishad celebrated its 63rd Foundation Day at Indraprastha Hall, Lachan Bairagi Road. The event was presided over by Branch President Jyotirmay Datta. The program began with a group rendition of Vande Mataram by artists from Agni Cultural Group, followed by floral tribute to Bharat Mata and Swami Vivekananda. Former national and state hockey coach Samir Krishna Nath and cinematorium worker Lakhan Ravidas were honored for their service with mementos, gifts and shawls. Speeches were delivered by Dr. Satya Ranjan Bhattacharya, Engineer Anshu Kumar Roy, Advocate Rajat Ghosh and others. The event was anchored by Nilanjan Pal and concluded with a cultural performance. For more news and updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page to stay connected with us.
আজকে আমরা ভারত বিকাশ পরিষদের 63তম 63rd ফাউন্ডেশন ডে উদযাপন করছি এখানে এবং আজকে I bear my wholehearted respect to the late lamented Dr. Suraj Prasad Maharaj and the other dignitaries who has established the Bharat Vikas Parishad in 1963. আপনারা সবাই জানেন এবং মোটামুটি আলোচনা হয়েছে সেটা বিবেকানন্দের আদর্শে চলতেছে। মস্ত কথা, বিবেকানন্দের আদর্শে সেবা করব, পরিবর্তে কিছু আশা করব না।